Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. I have not sat down in front of this camera like this in my room in front of all my stuff forever, it feels like. I skipped last month's stuff and it's just been a crazy summer. It's been so busy for me. Well, not really busy, but different, where I still haven't quite figured out a routine. I've been trying to keep up with my shop with me's, but they've kind of been falling to every other week. I do have one coming out this week. Maybe I'll be able to get this video up before that one, but no promises. But you know, this thing right here, Enzo, he is, you guys, this little thing is such a handful. Like, you have no idea, unless you own a bird, how much attention goes into these things. Like, it's having an infant. Like, when they say, if you get a bird, that it's like having a toddler all over again, they're not kidding. Like, it's insane how much attention he takes. So I know it's not an excuse. It's just, it makes it hard for me. I mean, luckily he's being really good right now, which he never is. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed that he'll be able to stay throughout this video. But anyway, enough excuses and blabbling and all that good stuff. We are here because we are doing an Ipsy month. Now, beings it is harder for me to film, I am going to start combining the videos. So I am doing both of my Ipsies today. So we have the Glam Bag and the X that we are going to unbox in the same video. And I'm going to do that with my BoxyCharms as well. So, like I said, it is an X month and Halsey is the person that collabed with them. But we're going to start with this. See what this is all about. This is the regular Glam Bag, $12 a month, usually kills it. I mean, there's always pretty good products in here, so let's see. Okay, cute little bag, little envelope, like a really summery green inside. And then our theme is Wanderlust. Recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with Manith. I don't know what that means. Try techniques that soothe your skin and mind. Your greatest adventure starts with you. And we actually have products listed, which I think they've been doing it for the Glam Bag. They just don't do it for any of the, for the Plus anyway. So starting off, we have something from The Balm. It is Meet Matte Hues Liquid Lipstick in Charming. Okay. So it says, if you still haven't found the one, aka the liquid lipstick that lasts for hours and doesn't dry your lips out, then you're in luck. This winner is matte yet 0% drying, and the rosy neutral pigments will last on your lips all day and night without feathering, bleeding, or fading. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $17. And there is the color. I mean, it's a pretty color going into fall, so I will definitely be trying that out. Next, I'm trying to go through these as quickly as I can because he's going to go off the wall at any minute. Am I missing a product? I am. It's in the bag. Okay, so there is a brush in here. And it is from Farrah, the Short Shading Brush 45E. I mean, it's a nice little shading brush. I do like Farrah brushes. So this says Rose Gold Collection. It is valued at $10, and it's just a shading brush. I'm not going to read the description for that. Next item, really excited to see. I've went through a full size of one of the, or well, not a full size, but one of these, and it lasts forever because it's an eye cream. And this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, Brightening and Firming 5 milliliter size. Full size is $42 for this. And I couldn't imagine actually having a full size because it took me probably a month to go through just this little guy because you're just using it on your eyes at night. And it says Max out your beauty sleep with this creamy overnight eye treatment. It's packed with nourishing avocados, encapsulated retinol, and antioxidant-rich coffee berry to help smooth, brighten, and depuff your under eyes while you snooze. I love this, so I'm really excited to have it. Next item is from Feel. I've seen this product, I've seen this line before, and I don't know if I've tried anything from it, but I think I've seen it here in Ipsy before. So this is the Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser. Got sensitive, redness-prone skin? This cleanser is for you. This sulfate-free formula uses gentle okay. I know how to say that word, but it's just not coming out right now. Anyway, soothing hemp oil and anti-inflammatory allotonin to remove makeup excess oil and buildup without irritating or stripping your skin of moisture. Full size would be $32. So there is that. And the last thing is from Pure, and it's a mascara, and it is the On Point Mascara with Hemp. So 2 hemp things. And it's just a mascara. I'm not going to read what it says, but it's valued at $22 for full size. And it is a 4-in-1 formula. It says defines, lengthens, nourishes, and protects lashes. So there is that. So I think that not bad. I mean, the only item I probably won't use is this, and I might not use the Pure because I have so many mascaras. But I will definitely try this. This will go on my nightstand right away, and I'll put the brush with my brushes. So, you know, not a bad bag. Moving on to the exciting thing. So here we have the Glam Bag X. I did pick, I think you get to pick like 3 or 4 items out of it. I don't remember. But I kind of remember what I picked. I know that you could have got the, what was it? What was it? It was the, why am I having a brain fart right now? I wore it today. What the heck? The Tatcha Silk Canvas. I had to go get it because I was completely blanking out and not knowing what the heck I was talking about. So, yes, the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Anyway, I didn't get that. So, all that for that. I do know because I remember going through when you get your picks, you get to see what was in the box, and that was not one of them. When you open it up, there is what it looks like. Now he's going to sit here and chew on my earring, but that's okay. At least he's occupied. Here is the newspaper that comes with it. It tells you a little bit about, I guess, Halsey and some of the products that are in the bag. So, really excited for this box. There are, look, my shirt's all messed up now. Enzo, you completely just crazify my life. Crazify, I know is not a word, but that's what you do. Anyway, sidetracked. Let's get into it, you guys. I just can't keep it together. Ow. His nails really need to be clipped. All right, so starting off, we have, oh, okay, I forgot about this. This is the DNA with Dr. Brandt Time Defying Cream, which is great because I just used up, I forget what the cream is called. It'll be in my empties, but I just used up a night cream that I was using. So, is this in here? Let's see. It is. So, Dr. Brandt Skincare. This multitasking cream uses a combo of caffeine, ceramides, shea butter, and peptides to brighten dark circles, smooth fine lines, and minimize puffiness so you look refreshed and awake even when you're running on empty. This is an $82 bottle of skincare. I mean, it's Dr. Brandt. His stuff is expensive. So I'm really excited to have that. Yay, that might have been one of my picks. This is just a beauty blender, but I love them. They're valued at $20. I know, there's so many sponges out there that are way better than this. Well, not necessarily better, but are comparable to this. But I don't know. I love the beauty blender. They last forever. You can wash them. I mean, mine normally I can get 3 months use out of, so the $20 to me is worth it. So I'm glad that this is in there. Moving on, we have, let's see, something from Violet Voss. So it is an eyelash set, which a lot of us aren't wearing eyelashes right now. I guess, you know, it being summer too, it is quite hot and irritating. Like, I find I wear my false lashes more in the winter time. I don't know. Do you guys like feel that way? Let me know down below, because I don't know if I'm alone in that, but maybe it's just an excuse, which I have a lot of. Anyway, this says, where are you? Violet Voss, I do not care, false lashes and sexy, and I know it, false lashes for $20. Whether you're going for a natural look or something bolder, this falsy kit has got you covered. I mean, they're pretty big, but I mean, they're nice, so not complaining. Moving on, we have something from Herbivore. Let's see, can I find this one pretty quickly and easily? Probably not. Let's see. I hate like having to flip back and forth. I wish it was all on one page, but again, beggars can't be choosers. And sometimes it's not on here at all. Okay, wait, is this it? Yeah, that's it. And no, because that says lapis tansy oil, and this is not lapis. This is emerald. This is a green one. And I don't see it. Let me double check again before it's pictured like right there, but I don't, oh, duh, it's on that page. Okay, so here is what the box looks like. It is cute. I just showed you the product, and it says Herbivore Botanicals Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil, valued at $48. A few drops are like a warm hug for your skin. It calms, soothes, nourishes, moistures, and even protects from environmental aggressors. You can thank the hemp seed oil. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, squalene, turmeric root, and ashwagandha for those benefits. I don't know. But then it has Halsey's tips. Spend a few minutes working in this oil for a relaxing facial massage before bed. I am not the best at using oils, so I mean, I don't know how much use I will get out of that product, but I mean, it looks like it's a nice product. Next, I own, like, not kidding you, probably like 5 of these, so one of these will be in a future giveaway for sure, but it is the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara. Look, I don't even need to look at it because I know what it is. And let's see, does it have, I should know the price as many times as I've read it too. Let's see, it's not on there, is it? And it's not on, okay, yeah, it is. It's $24. So here is the Fenty Full Frontal Mascara. Again, not mad at it, not a bad product. This is from her brand, About Face, Halsey's brand. And this is, let's see, is it here? Okay, so here it is. It is Light Lock Highlight Fluid in Fight or Flight, Shaken or Stirred, and Sunstruck. So what did I get? Light Lock, right? Yeah, so I got Light Lock. I'll open it up in a minute. It is valued at $32. It says, leave it to Halsey to create a highlighter that is as versatile as you. The shimmery gold liquid can be used in 3 ways: an illuminating base, an intense highlighter, or a glow booster in your foundation. And Halsey's tip says, add a few drops to your body moisturizer for a fire glow all over. So here is what the packaging looks like, and you can rip it apart in the middle like her other stuff, which I might have to do because it is all closed. Let's see if my tweezers will open it up. He's going to chew through my necklace. Stop chewing on that, little brat. Here he comes. Is he coming out? Oh, this is massive. This is massive. So here is what the component looks like. It has a mirror, well, a mirror all over it. Okay, the cap comes off. And it's just a dropper gold highlight. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't really use these products, but I'll try it, especially since I just opened it. So not mad at it. These last two items are what I'm really super excited for in the box. One just came out not too long ago. This is another Glow recipe item. And this is the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial. So excited for that. Let me see where it's at so I can tell you about it. So it is valued at $40, and it says, when your skin needs a reset, reach for this powerful purifying mask. It's as effective as a pro treatment, but only takes 5 minutes at home. The combo of gentle clays, fruit enzymes, and exfoliating acids get rid of the dead skin cells, buildup, and excess oil for clear, glowing skin. Super, super excited for that. Probably will be trying this tonight. Show you what it looks like outside of its package. I love Glow recipe, if you can't tell. So I am really excited to try this. Very, very excited. I've heard nothing but good things about it. So excited for that. Oh, and it just fell on the floor, and it does come with a little spoon. So that's cool. And the last item in the box is a palette, and it is from Aether Beauty, and it is part of their relaunch. They used to be spelled A-T-H-E-R. Now it's spelled A-T-H-R, just in case anybody was wondering. And it is the Moonlight Crystal Palette. I am like dying of sweat, and I cannot turn the fan on because my bird is in here, because you can't have ceiling fans on with a bird. Just saying. This bad boy is $58, and it says, what do you get when you combine vegan ingredients, sustainable packaging, and crystal infused powders? This epic Halsey exclusive palette. Mix and match the shadows. You can use them wet or dry to create your perfect shimmer eye look. So packaging on point, beautiful, love it. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. I'm excited. Oh, and it just dropped the little card. I'm excited for this box. Like, there's some really good things in here. Okay, open up. Oh, she is pretty. So there are your shades, and I love me a purple look, so I am excited for this. Super, super excited for this. You guys, I think it was a pretty good month. I mean, there's only a couple things in here that I really don't care for, but I mean, really, there's only one. Looking at the Glow recipe that's on the floor, but this is the only thing that I'm really not like super excited for. The Fenty mascara, like I said, I have it, used it, love it, you know, so I can't really complain about that. And then, you know, this highlighter, it's cute, but I love to try new things from new brands, so I'm not mad at that either. I mean, not a bad box. Let me know if you guys get the Ipsy Glam Bag X and what you got. Did you get the Tatcha? I'm wondering to see, because last time they put that Charlotte Tilbury in the, was it Kylie? Whoever it was. One of the Jenners, one of the Kardashians, whatever. They advertised a full size of the Charlotte Tilbury cream, and not many people got it, but it really pulled a lot of people in. So I'm wondering, did you guys get the Tatcha? Please let me know down below. I'd be so interested to know. But other than that, thank you guys so, so much for sticking around and waiting for me to come back. For those of you that did, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you so, so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.